Hello everyone, I am Ram Nivas from Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. In today's class, we'll see about Numpy. Numpy is a Python library which is used for working with arrays. It also has functions of working in domains of linear algebra, Fourier transform, and matrices. Numpy was created in the year 2005 by Travis Oliphant, and it is an open source project and it is free. Numpy stands for Numerical Python. The Numpy API is used extensively in Pandas, SciPy, Matplotlib, scikit-learn, scikit-image, and most other data science and scientific Python packages. Why should we use NumPy array when we have Python list? Because it is faster, convenient, and less memory. NumPy arrays are faster and more compact than Python list. An array consumes less memory and it is convenient to use also. NumPy uses much less memory to store data and it provides a mechanism of specifying the data types. This allows the code to be optimized even further. NumPy aims to provide an array object that is up to 50 times faster than traditional Python lists. The array object in NumPy is called ndArray. It provides a lot of supporting functions that make working with ndArray very easy. Arrays are very frequently used in data science where speed and resources are very important. So we may get a doubt that which language is NumPy written in. NumPy is a Python library and is written partially in Python, but most of the parts that require fast computations are written in C or C++. Next, before starting to work with Python NumPy, you need to install NumPy. If it is already installed in the system, then NumPy is very easy. So you can also install it using the command of pip install numpy. Once you have installed the numpy, import its application by adding import keyword. For example, import numpy array is equal to numpy.array of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and print array. This will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the format like list. You can also use NumPy as NP. It is usually imported under NP alias. In Python, alias are an alternate name for referring to the same thing. Create an alias with the as keyword while importing. Import NumPy as NP. Now NumPy package can be referred to as NP instead of writing it as NumPy. Import numpy as np. ARR is equal to, in the previous case you have written like numpy.array. Here you are using it as np.array bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, and if you are printing it, you will be getting the value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Checking the numpy version, it is very simple. Just print np dot underscore version underscore. It will give you the version of current numpy which you are using. Here it is 1.25.0. Numpy is used to work with arrays. Array object in numpy is called ndArray. Create numpy ndArray by using array function. Here array is equal to np.array of bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you are printing it, it will print it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and its class is numpy.ndArray. To create ndArray, pass a list tuple or any array-like object into array method and it will be converted into ND array as shown below. Array equal to np dot array of bracket, that is tuple indication 1 2 3 4 5. It will show np array as 1 2 3 4 5 just shown in the output. Now we shall study about the different dimensions in array. Is one level of array depth, that is nested array, that have arrays as their elements. Zero dimensional arrays or scalars that are elements in an array. Each value in an array is a zero dimensional array. Here to create a zero dimensional array with value 42. Numpy array, the value is simply 42. It is printed as 42. Next is one dimensional array. An array that has zero dimensional arrays as the elements is called as unidimensional or one dimensional array. These are most common and basic arrays which we are using. To create an one dimensional array having the values of 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, np.array of bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. An array that has one dimensional array as its elements are called as two dimensional array. Here the difference is, in the previous case, different zero dimensions together form one dimension, different one dimension together form two dimension. They are also used to represent matrix or two order tensors. Create two-dimensional array consisting of values 1, 2, 3 and the next array is 4, 5, 6. If you want to create like that, array is equal to np.array of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will print the two-dimensional array. To create a three-dimensional array, it is derived from two-dimensional array collection. They are also used to represent three-dimensional tensor. So the same three-dimensional array can be created in the way like shown in the example. So checking the number of dimensions in an array, you need to use the comment of ndim. So here A, B, C, D indicates 0 dimension, 1 dimension, 2 dimension and 3 dimensional arrays. If we are printing them, the values will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. To access the array elements, array indexing is same as accessing an array element. Access an array element by referring to its index number. The indexes in NumPy array starts with 0, meaning that first element has an index 0 and second has index 1 and third has index 2 and so on. So array of 0 will print the value of 1. To get the third and fourth elements, array 2 plus array 4, if you are printing it, you will get third and fourth element sum. So to here third element is 3 and fourth element is 4, that is array of 2 and array of 3, you will be getting 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. To access two-dimensional array, the two-dimensional array is mentioned like print of array of 0, 1. So the second element of first row, this is the indication, that is first row indicated by 0 and the second row is indicated by 1. Here the first row indicates 0 and 1 indicates the first position element, that is 2, and it is printed. To access fifth element in second row, it is given as array of 1, 4. Here 1 indicates the second row and 4 indicates the fifth element, that is 10.